Guys, Brian back here with a look at Calamari. All right, if you got in down here where we have projected, congratulations. It wicked down just a little bit deeper, down to 0.004. We were looking for anywhere from 0.044 up to 0.005. All right, so congratulations if you got in on that pullback, and well, we did have some volume coming in right there, 25 million. Today we have 5.25 million. All right, so getting a nice bounce out of here. All right, looks like a bottom came in right there. All right, so looks good for Calamari right now. I'm going to show you the RSIs here in a second and show you what the price levels to watch out for. All right, we're having a nice day out in the market. Nice pop going on here. Bitcoin is just running. It's up 6% today. Crazy. It's up to 46,821. All right, approaching that 618 fib level. All right, it had a high today of 47,117. All right, if we go over here real quick, and I do want to show you that because I think it's very important. All right, right here it is. All right, you can see this thing, but let's get rid of some of this noise in here. All right, had a breakout of this symmetrical triangle here, and is taken right off here. All right, now we have that 618 fib level up here, around 48.5, 48,600 is that 618 fib. That is going to be an area of interest. Okay, definitely want to keep an eye on that area. That the 618, 702 fib levels are areas that are very, Bitcoin normally just doesn't blow through them levels. All right, so the first Fibonacci extension target up here is around 48.3. All right, so we'll see what happens there. But all the RSIs are heading up on Bitcoin. You got the 8, the 12, the daily, everything's heading up, and I put this in a video the other day about this wedge breaking out here, and the RSI target on it is up around 79.6, so that obviously has some ways up to go here. We'll keep an eye on that. I don't really do too many measurements on RSI breakouts, but I do want to keep an eye on this one. I find it kind of interesting, so we'll see what happens. But Bitcoin is definitely making a nice run today. Now let's get back here to KMA. All right, and of course some crypto bubbles. This just amazes me with Bitcoin dominance rising. You just don't see this. Normally this would just be a sea of red with Bitcoin dominance. Now the ETF approval, or rejection, whatever it is coming up here, that I believe it has a lot to do with this Bitcoin run today. So we'll see what happens, and it's going to get approved one way or the other. Whether it's now or if it's 2 months from now or 6 months from now, whatever, it's going to get approved. All right, now the daily RSI on Calamari is still pulling down. All right, I'm expecting that to head back up. The regular RSI on the bottom, you can see it's pointing up. Okay, so I'm expecting that to roll back up. The 12-hour is reset, 6 and a 5. The 8-hour right at the bottom, beautiful, 14 and a 5. As long as this number on the left is bigger than the number on the right, you're bullish. Okay, the 4-hour, 55 and a 29. Looks great, really does. Looks fantastic. All right, some major price areas to keep this rally going, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, let's pull this up. You can see these candle closes right here. Okay, which it's broken through that area. All right, now you do have a couple up in here. Well, just literally, just as I'm making video, broke through them levels. Now these ones up here, it's going to be your next area to keep an eye on. 0.005832. All right, let's see where this went. 5825. And this one, 5825. So 5825 is going to be what you're watching for here. 5825. Just remember 5825, guys. All right, if it breaks 5832, it's on its way. All right, this thing is it's looking great. It's looking ready to make another big run here. All right, if you go on a 4-hour and take any kind of any kind of resistance lines down through here. It's clearly broken out of them. You know, anything. It's hard to line these up. There's so many wicks down through here. You know, even if you go out through here like that, you know, that's a plain breakout. Okay, keep an eye on those levels. 0.005832. All right, to go higher, that'll break this resistance area is over through here, and this thing could be heading for another new all-time high. I mean, that's absolutely in the cards. It already broke through that other level that I was just mentioning here, the 0.005047. We already blew through that. This is on a daily. These are daily closes, okay? So the next one up is 0.005832. And this one down here, 0.004617, that should hold as valid support. You should not lose that, okay? All right, guys, thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. We have 67 members now. If you become a member, you get free access to the Discord. Lots of good stuff going on over there. And the level 3 membership for $14.99, you get the trading videos. 8 hours worth of videos to teach you how to do all this stuff, man. With a bull run coming up, you want to learn from somebody, guys. I guarantee that. It'll save you a pile of money. All right, have a great day, everybody.